By Ardina Perry.
Sam Dene, the Encyclopedia of Reno Government and the most trusted name in Nevada government, who is living proof of the corruption in the vote-stealing operation in Nevada. Sam is an Air Force Academy graduate. I flew fighters and bombers defending our nation against enemies inside of the border and outside of the border. Probably one of the most recognized names in all of Nevada, and that's not meant to be self-aggrandizing. That is just a fact. Sam ran for United States Congress. He was on 16 separate ballots throughout all of Nevada, and he got exactly the same percentage of votes in every single one of those counties. Living proof that the voting system, the vote stealing in Nevada is working. The vote stealing is working, and everybody I speak with says that those vote stealers should be tarred and feathered and held like that for a month, and then they should be drawn and quartered. There's nothing worse in the world, let alone America, than vote stealing. Everything else emanates from there. I noticed that there's a fellow by the name of Chad Dene, who happens to be my son, who's running for Reno mayor, and he's running against this massive vote-stealing operation, and I pray every night, and every citizen should pray every night, that the vote stealers die on the way to the place where they steal the votes. This Dene happens to be a Marine Corps veteran with a plan. And everybody says, what is the plan? He says, I'll show you. He said he'll show you what the plan is when he gets elected. Because if he told the plan right now, his opponent other people would probably steal the plan. He wants to sell the Reno City Council building, establish an honest newspaper, eliminate the Reno propaganda machine, assign aviation experts to the airport board, lower all taxes.
Ardina